Hey everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Story. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's near and dear to all of our hearts: how to achieve our targets. Whether it's a career goal, a personal achievement, or a New Year's resolution, we all have things we want to accomplish, and I'm here to help you turn those dreams into reality. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Set clear goals. The first step in achieving your targets is setting clear, specific goals. Instead of saying, I want to be successful, say, I want to earn a promotion at work within the next year. Specificity is key because it gives you a clear direction and something to work towards. Step 2. Make a plan. Once you have your clear goals, it's time to create a plan. Break down your big goal into smaller, manageable steps. Write these steps in a to-do list format and allocate deadlines. This will make your goals seem less daunting and more achievable. Step 3. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. A healthy body and mind are essential for reaching your targets. Make sure to eat well, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. A healthy lifestyle will keep your energy levels up and your focus sharp. Step 4. Time management. Time management is crucial. Use a calendar or a task management app to keep track of your daily, weekly, and monthly goals. Prioritize tasks and stay organized. Remember, time is a finite resource, so use it wisely. Step 5. Stay accountable. Accountability is a game changer. Share your goals with a friend, family member, or mentor who can help keep you on track. Alternatively, use a goal tracking app or journal to log your progress. Step 6. Visualization and positive affirmations. Visualize your success regularly. Create a vision board with images and words that represent your goals. Also, use positive affirmations to boost your confidence and maintain a positive mindset. Step 7. Perseverance. Remember that setbacks are a part of the journey. Don't get discouraged when things don't go as planned. Stay determined, adapt to changes, and keep pushing forward. Step 8. Continuous learning. Invest in yourself by continuously learning and improving your skills. Education and personal development are key factors in achieving your targets. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to achieve your targets. Remember, success is a journey, and each step you take brings you closer to your goal. Stay motivated, stay focused, and never give up. I believe in you, and I know you can do it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments what your current target is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay focused, stay positive, and go make your dreams a reality.